Hi everyone! Welcome back to our Korean learning channel. Today, we're learning real daily Korean from Korean comedy shows. These funny scenes use the same expressions Koreans use in real life, with friends, at work, and in everyday situations. So don't just watch. Listen, repeat, and learn with us. Let's start today's Korean expressions. Here we go!
축하합니다! 축하합니다!
축하 means to celebrate, and 합니다 is a polite formal ending. So 축하합니다 is the polite and respectful way to say congratulations in Korean. Koreans use 축하합니다 when someone gets married, gets a new job, passes an exam, or has a birthday. You often hear this in K-dramas during happy or emotional scenes. When speaking more casually, Koreans also say 축하해요 or 축하해 to friends. So whenever something good happens to someone, just say 축하합니다.
잠깐만 means wait a moment or hold on. 잠깐 means a short time, and 만 means just. So 잠깐만 means just a moment. This is the casual form, used with friends, family, or people your age. When you want to be more polite, Koreans say 잠깐만요, which means please wait a moment. This is used with strangers, elders, or in shops and offices. So remember, 잠깐만 is casual, and 잠깐만요 is polite. Both are very common in K-dramas and real Korean conversations.
가만 있어. 알았지? 가만 있어. 알았지?
가만히 있어 means stay still or don't move. 알았지 means got it or okay. So together, this sentence means stay still, okay? Or don't move, got it? Koreans use this when someone is about to interfere, talk too much, or make a situation worse. You hear this a lot in K-dramas during tense or angry scenes. It sounds strong and serious, not polite. So it's usually said to someone close or when emotions are high. So remember, 가만히 있어, 알았지? Is a warning to stay still and listen.
조용히 해. 방해하지 마. 조용히 해. 방해하지 마.
조용히 해 means be quiet. 방해하지 마 means don't interrupt me or don't disturb me. So together, this sentence means be quiet and don't bother me. Koreans use this when they are angry, stressed, or very focused and someone keeps talking or interfering. You hear this a lot in K-dramas during heated or tense scenes. It sounds strong and direct, so it should only be used in serious situations or with close people. So remember, 조용히 해, 방해하지 마 is a powerful way to tell someone to stop bothering you.
내일 만나서 얘기해. 내일 만나서 얘기해.
내일 means tomorrow, 만나서 means meet and then, and 얘기해 means talk. So this sentence means let's meet tomorrow and talk. Koreans use this when a conversation is too emotional, too complicated, or not the right time to talk. You hear this a lot in K-dramas when characters want to calm down and continue the discussion later. It sounds natural and calm, not rude. So when you want to delay a conversation politely, just say 내일 만나서 얘기해. 지금 means right now. 뭘 means what. And 하는 거야 means are you doing. So it means what are you doing right now? But in Korean, this sentence can sound very different depending on the tone. If said calmly, it's just a normal question. But if said loudly or angrily, it means, what do you think you're doing? You hear this a lot in K-dramas when someone is shocked or angry at another person's actions. So always listen to the tone when you hear this phrase.
우리 헤어지자. 우리 헤어지자.
우리 means we. And 헤어지자 means let's separate or let's break up. So this sentence means let's break up. Koreans use this when a relationship is not working anymore or when emotions are too painful. You hear this a lot in K-dramas during sad or emotional breakup scenes. It sounds serious and final, not like a joke.
So when you hear 우리 헤어지자, it usually means the relationship is ending.
뭐? 너 말이 좀 심하다. 뭐? 너 말이 좀 심하다.
뭐, 너 말이 좀 심하다? This sentence is used when someone feels that another person is being too rude, too harsh, or too offensive. 뭐 means hey or what, showing surprise or annoyance. 너 말이 means your words. 좀 심하다 means a bit too much. So together it means, hey, your words are too harsh. Koreans say this when they feel hurt by someone's way of speaking, especially during arguments or emotional moments in dramas. So next time someone speaks too strongly to you, you can say, 뭐, 너 말이 좀 심하다?
Today, we learned some powerful Korean phrases from K-dramas, like 축하합니다, 잠깐만, 가만히 있어, 알았지? 조용히 해, 방해하지 마. 내일 만나서 얘기해. 지금 뭘 하는 거야? 우리 헤어지자. And 뭐, 너 말이 좀 심하다. These expressions are not just words. They show emotion, tone, and real-life Korean communication. That's why they appear so often in Korean dramas and everyday conversations. If you listen carefully to how these phrases are spoken in scenes, you'll understand not only the language, but also the feelings behind it. Keep watching, keep listening, and keep learning Korean through K-dramas. See you in the next lesson.